Hi there, welcome back. Well, this is not really the setting you expected today. Uh, no cars around. I am currently at my job because, we have to continue working, make some money in order to do the awesome things we want to do with our channel. And if you can probably hear, I am still sick. It's been 4 weeks since I had COVID. Um, Still lost my voice. Still have a nose cold. I still feel very fucked. Can I say that? Yes, I can. So what I wanted to do for this video, guys, just a short one, talk to you about some basic things because our hobby is not always sunshine. Sometimes you just have to do what you do before you can do your hobby. And I want to show and share with you my everyday struggles being my hobby or doing my hobby and what we have to overcome. So this video is all about the struggles and Ferrari, but that's a different story. And you can find out in a few seconds. Now first, let me start with my job. I'm currently walking in an empty building. Nobody here. I'm walking on the 5th floor, found a spot where I can just take a few seconds and film. And this building, we're gonna transform this building in a very short period of time to a refugee shelter due to everything that's happening in the world. And that's basically my job, is to do the project management around real estate projects. We can do it all. We can help you find a location and build yourself a perfect office, building, home, whatever. And well, we can manage it all from starting till end. And that's basically my job. So what I'm doing here today and why I'm taking a little break to film this video, I am currently checking on the current state of the building because a lot needs to be changed in order to, house some people here. Simply because, you need a kitchen, but you also need a place to cook. For example, here the roof is damaged, so we need to fix that one. We got some moisture here and there. We need to fix that. A lot of things need to be done before you can live here, and that's my job. Now I have to do this to make money in order to buy the things I need to do my hobby. We all need to work to do what we gotta do, we wanted to do. And that's something I find very difficult sometimes because I actually only want to do the things I really love, like making these types of videos, working on cars, having fun with Ferraris. But the reality is you cannot do that. You need some basic income, and this is for me my basic income. Now don't feel sad about it, because I'm not sad. I really like my job. I meet an exceptionary bunch of people, all sorts, all types, due to my hobby and my work. For example, this is a little secret, so we're gonna have to be quiet about this one. And I'm putting it on in the internet, but okay. For example, this building, when you were watching the video, I've been here with some, how do you call that one? Location scouts for a movie or a series that will be made. This hallway is very loud, so this is better. And the fun part is they're probably gonna film a movie here. And that touches my hobby again, because filming is my hobby. So I want to learn everything about it. And this is another little secret of me. I want to learn to act, and I want to play in movies. And so for me, this is a big opportunity to see how it all goes and what happens, etc. Basically, that's my job. That's the first part of what I wanted to share with you today.
2,000 years later.
The voice is getting a little bit better. That's the good part. This one is getting better. I feel a little bit of strength. This next video we're going to work on the Ferrari, I promise you. But now I said I want to take a closer look at the new Ferrari, the 296 GTS, and I got it right here in front of me, and I'm absolutely digging the design of this. Yeah, Dino. For me, it is some sort of a Dino. V6 hybrid engine, 830 horsepower. Pretty sick, if you ask me. Cool design, and just open to the website of the Ferrari.com to have a closer look. We know we're gonna skip the video, but it looks awesome. I really like it. Look at the spec. I mean, the rims, everything is just in balance in this car. I would prefer red. Here we have the engine. I'm just gonna warp through it because I think that you can visit the website and check it out yourself. But I just want to take a closer look. This one is interesting. Putting down the drop top. Cool. I like it very much. Especially the design elements relating to the 250 Le Mans, a classic, beautiful classic Ferrari. But also for me, again, I think there's a big relation here with the Dino, and they could have actually called this one the new Dino, but the 296 related to the 246, so it's about the same thing. Well, but looking at the 296, like I said, I absolutely digging this one. I would prefer red, by the way, because just red is my color, and most Ferraris just fit red. I'm sorry, not everybody agrees, but I think it is. Looking at the current lineup, 296 GTS, the SF90 Stradale, the SF90 Spider, F8 Tributo, F8 Spider, Ferrari Roma, the Ferrari Portofino M. We got the Speciale series, the 812 Competizione and the 812 Competizione A. And we got the Icona series, the Daytona SP3, the Monza SP1 and the Monza SP2. The last two, I think they're already sold out. The cars we're missing right now is the 812 GTS and the normal 812, and that's a pity because I really like the 812 GTS. But when we go to the configurator, I think, yeah, it's still there. Oh, build your own. Oh, yes, please. I like the photorealism because it's easier to look at. This thing is gorgeous. I absolutely love the 812 GTS. Forged matte Grigio Corsa rims. Stunning. Brake calipers, I prefer. Sometimes it depends a little bit, but let's do this one. Carbon, no, because I don't like carbon hubs. Everything else can be carbon, but not the wheel hubs. They need to be yellow. Black ceramic exhaust pipes. And of course, for me, there's only one option when it comes to the interior, and that's Chio. Yes, I know, I am a little bit crazy. Let's sum it all up. Quick look and have an exterior view. Oh my, the internet is... Oh, look at this. Come on. Look at this. Okay, I'm wasting so much time right now. In order to do what I wanted to do. Let's get back to the current lineup. Oh, now it's back here. Funny. Okay. Well, I think that the 812 GTS is not available anymore. So if I'm gonna win the lottery tomorrow, which is not gonna happen, but if it does, I wouldn't buy a new Ferrari. I'm so sorry for Ferrari, but there's so much choice in existing models. I probably go for an F12 Berlinetta or a 599 HGTE and a 458 Spider or a 430 Spider. next to, of course, my all-time favorite, the F355 F1 Spider. And I keep repeating, F1 is better than the manual. Yeah. Current lineup. So we got the big V12. So there's going to be a replacement for the A12 for sure. We got the 296 GTB and GTS, so the Dino series, in my opinion. We got the SF90 Stradale and the Spider. For me, I relate that to the Testarossa series. Absolutely digging also the SF90 Spider, by the way. I think that's a gorgeous car. Perfect spec. But why is this taking so long here? Yeah, I don't like the color. This one needs to be red. Just Rosso Corsa. But I'm absolutely digging and I don't really mind the hybrid. I'm not a big fan of electric cars, and I think hybrid can add something. I don't know, but yeah. At first I was a little bit sketchy about where are they going to place this car, but I think they did a right job with the Stradale. Then we got the F8 Tributo and the F8 Spider. So sorry. Where are we going to put that one? Well, that's just the basic. So if you come from the 355, 430, blah blah blah, 360, etc. Is that the alarm? No, I don't think so. It just adds up. It's just a replacement of the 488. And I hope that they are going to continue this series. Then we got the Ferrari Roma, a car I absolutely don't like. Sorry. I try to be positive, but I don't think that's a real Ferrari. It doesn't look like a one. I don't like the design. I just don't like it. I'm so sorry. When it first came out, I was okay. And the more I see one, the more I hate it. But that's the good part right now. Ferrari has a Ferrari for everyone. So people might like it and might buy it. I think they can burn the Roma to hell. So sorry, I just said that, but I'm so sorry. We got the Portofino M. I like that one. Driven it, past video, and I really liked it. It's a 2+2, but more like 2+2 1.5 or something, because let's be honest, it's just a 2 series car. But a luxury convertible suits its purpose. Then we got the special series we just talked about. So the A12 Competizione and the Competizione A. Very logical cars. At the end of the lifespan of the A12, you get special editions like this. I like that. Not my first choice. Again, I would rather have something like the GTO, the 599 GTO. I really dig that one. Oh, the SA Aparta. Okay. And then we got the Icona series. I absolutely love the SP1 and the SP2 series. Especially the SP1. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't like to take anyone with me, I guess. But there's something so special about that car. I would really like to drive that one day. And then need to be red, of course, Rosso Corsa. And then we got the final car in the current lineup. Where's the list? And that's the Daytona SP3. Well, and I'm going to be honest again, and I'm gonna stop talking very soon because my voice starts to fail again. At first I liked it, and looking at this picture, it's okay. But and I absolutely dig the interior. That's it, perfect, especially with the blue seats, etc. But the rear of the car, the lines, especially the fake Testarossa scoops at the front and at the back, make this car look a little bit like, they don't do justice to the real Legends 330 B4. But okay, everybody has a taste. Plenty of other choices like the LaFerrari or the Enzo. And for me, an SP1 would be much better. or SP2 to take my friend Mark with me. Haha. Okay, enough about the current lineup. I'm gonna finish up with what is coming. We got a replacement for the A12, I think, coming. We probably will see the Pyroshange. I hate that word, very soon. The only good thing about that one is that Ferrari confirmed that it's going to be a limited edition. So we got less cars to burn. And I don't know, we also have comment. If you know, let me know in the comments what is coming. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I messed up. So let me know in the comments if you know what is coming and what do you think of the new models and the current lineup. And well, with that bombshell, I like to finish this video. Thank you for your attention. Sorry I didn't work on the 308, but we're getting better and we're gonna work. And we got some very nice events coming. And I'm not gonna tell you anything about it because I already missed about 3 events I wanted to film. I couldn't because of COVID. God damn it, we haven't got any lockdown anymore, and I'm still annoying. But we got a lot of nice content coming your way. So thank you for watching. See you again next time, and a goodbye.